for organizing such a fabulous marathon. And like I say, we as celebrities love endorsing brands that give us a lot of financial gratification. This is something that I hold highest in my show reel, and I'm very proud to be the event ambassador and the face of this marathon. And I hope to continue to do so. And let's say this is my fittest year, and I'm really fit, and I'm very excited about running with Anil, who's also very fit. So the two of us are going to be running this year. Got it? But thank you once again. Really excited to have everyone on board here, and looking forward to a great marathon. Thanks, Vivek.
Like every year, this is very special. It's probably the year I'm actually getting fitter every year, and I'm very happy to be here. And I've got Arun Bhardwaj on my left, who's the greatest Indian ultra marathoner. He's going to run for 24 hours, and he's going to beat the record of 171 kilometers. So it's an honor being here. It's an honor sitting with someone who I believe is a true hero of this country. And I'm proud to be the face of the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon for the 9th year now, and maybe for the next 10 years. No, I think I've always believed in fitness, and I've always told everyone that they need to be super fit. And just like Arun earlier was saying, it's important to be a teetotaler. Teetotaler matlab दारू नहीं पीते हम लोग, non-alcoholic. And I think these little things are very important to understand that your lifestyle should change. हम लोग भी 9:30-10 बजे सोते, 4:30-5 बजे उठते, and then he starts running and I run to shoot. But you must lead a healthy lifestyle, and I think the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon is great, not only for us, but for all the viewers and for all the people who are doing this interview as well. It's a great platform for you to start running. Well, yeah, I mean, I just asked him, I said, मतलब 24 घंटे के लिए तुम कैसे भागते हो? And he was just saying कि मतलब किसने मुझे पूछा कि आप थकते नहीं हो? He said, मैं थकता हूँ, फर्क सिर्फ इतना है कि आप लोग रुक जाते हो, मैं रुकता नहीं हूँ. बस. So I think he's saying, according to Arun, if there's a will, there's a way, and I think his willpower is absolutely fantastic. He's a true sports person of this country, and he has every right to be really sitting here as a role model for the entire country. जी अभी फिल्में कंप्लीट कर रहा हूँ मैं. वेलकम बैक, उसके बाद रॉकी हैंडसम, उसके बाद हेरा फेरी शुरू हो रही है, उसके बाद 1911 विद सुजीत सरकार, और एक दो और अनाउंसमेंट्स है. वरुण के साथ एक फिल्म कर रहा हूँ मैं. तो काफ़ी फिल्में चल रही है. इट्स लाइक द मैराथन ओनली इस साल. लास्ट ईयर ब्रेक लिया था मैंने, तो इस साल काफ़ी भाग रहा हूँ मैं. I think it's grown massive. It's fantastic, and I must honestly thank the media. I thank all of you for showing your support by being here. So a big thank you. It's important that you all project this rightly, and I think people should run, and people should run more actively, just like how Arun is running. I think there should be more people like him who run, not for 24 hours, but at least run 1 hour a day, or at least half an hour a day to start off with, at least brisk walk.